So I'm going to show you 3 ways to blend this image into this background. So the first way is kind of like the old school way. This is the technique that I learned a long time ago. Then the second way is the match color. Then the third way is the harmonize. So I'm going to show you all 3. So here we have the main image. I'm going to disable that for now. I'm going to select the top visible layer, which is the adjustment layer right here. So I'm going to do Control Alt Shift E. It will merge everything, create like a JPEG. Now let's go to Filter, Blur, Average. Now I'm going to enable the main image, bring this above the main image, create a clipping mask. I'm going to do Control Alt G. And all you have to do is change the blending mode to soft light. And it looks pretty good. If you want to fine tune it even more, select the main image, go down here, create a levels, and darken that. And you can mess around with that, but I think it's pretty good. All right, now I'm just merge all this and just make a copy. So I'm gonna compare it at the end. So this one's soft light, and disable that. Go ahead and delete this. Now here's the second way. Same thing, I'm gonna disable this, go here, Control Alt Shift E. I'm gonna name this Final, so that way we know which layer it is. Enable the main image, select the main image, just go to Image, Adjustment, Match Color, Source, select the PSD, Layer, select the Final, that's the one we name. And you can see it's too bright, so you can lower the brightness, say about right there. Now the intensity is too much, so let's bring the slider to the fade to the right. Say about right there. I think that looks good. I'm gonna click OK. All right, so here we have our main image. All I have to do is go here, click on Harmonize. All right, it's gonna give us 3 options. Here's this one, and this one. I think the third one is probably the best one, because it does have a more like a more browner tint. So this soft light, match color, harmonize. So let me know which one you guys like, the soft light technique, the match color, or the harmonize.